Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a special surprise. We have the Makartt Polygel kit, blue one, which is absolutely amazing. I have had a little peek, I'm not gonna lie. But when you open it up, you get the spatula and brush, of course, and then it's keeping with the whole aesthetic blue. We have the top coat, the base coat. We have the 180-100 grit file, which feels like a really sturdy file. I mean, I don't know why I'm acting surprised because, so just put them on them over there. Slip solution. Okay, so let's get into the good stuff. We have number 844. And we're just going to try them out on this little backing paper of my nail forms. Oh, that is a beautiful royal blue. That's the royal blue, which is number 844. Then we have 843, which is obviously a lighter blue. Kind of reminds me of blue candy cotton or fairy floss, whatever you want to call it. Americans might call it candy cotton. In Australia we call it fairy floss. So fairy floss, candy cotton, whatever you want to call it. And then we have 842. Oh no, this is gorgeous. I mean, they're all gorgeous. It's like a real baby blue color. And then, of course, you have your clear, which everybody says how clear the Makartt clear is. And yes, it is very clear, but I have also, I think, found a very close competitor. And there's the clear. So we will cure them. And then, of course, under here we have your jewel forms and your instruction kit, which is very, very detailed. So if you want to get yourself this beautiful blue Makartt system with these beautiful, I think these jewel forms are actually, I think they might be two different kinds. I'm not 100% sure, so don't hold me to that. No, there's not. They're the same. Okie dokie. So we have the blue polygel extension kit, which I absolutely cannot wait to do this hand with. Yes, that's why we're waiting. And of course, we have the spatula end. And then we have the brush on the other end, which is, of course, filled with the packing, which you just, and then you put into your solution and clean it off before you actually use it, but that's the brush. So it's a beautiful blue colour. So we'll put that back in there. Okie dokie. And now I have another special surprise. I got sent 2 of these kits. And one of them will be going in a giveaway. That's correct. Like I said, when I hit 100 subscribers, I am going to have a massive giveaway. There are going to be 10 giveaways, and you must be subscribed, like, comment and share, and it will not take place until there's 100 subscribers. But just let me tell you, that stockpile is getting big. So if you want to be a part of that, please subscribe to this channel, put a comment down below, give me a thumbs up. It's really not that hard, and it costs you nothing. So please, if you want this, and I will be doing a review on it, stay tuned for that video too. That will be coming soon. But, so we'll put this to the side. Oh, I just banged my whole camera system. Sorry guys. Don't come for me in the comments. We have the McCart Nail Extension Gel Kit. Now this is something else. Oh. It opened up from the side. And then you pull out this beautiful. Voila! Now, of course, this is pink, as you can see. It has your extension gel kit booklet here, which is very, very detailed. It tells you what the package contains. It contains 1 nail extension gel, 15 mils tube, 12 colors, 1 8mm base coat, 1 8mm top coat, 1 nail brush, 50 nail forms, 1 nail file, and 1 times instruction manual, which is right here. And let me tell you, this kit is everything. So if you love polygel kits, then this is the kit for you. And there are those colors that are cured. So yeah. Now, I know, of course, we've got the pink nail file. We have the, oh, this is beautiful. We have the brush. Which feels really, really high quality. It doesn't have a spatula because these are extension gels. These are, well, they're polygels, but they're not as such. They're more of a builder gel, polygel sort of thing, and it comes with a nozzle, which you then, of course, would, you know, put on your nail as so. Kind of like icing on a nail. So anyway, because this is blue, this is 011, and that is the color. It's very very, very similar. It's like these two colors, but in between. Yeah, so I'm really excited to be getting into these. So let's go ahead. We know what you came for. You came for the swatching. You didn't come to see a healing talk or anything like that. But there's like stuff right in here. So this is 0112. And this is also a blue color. I think that's I mean, I know that you can mix and match different things to, get different results. You get that. If you can hear that in the background, that's my cat. She's on heat and she's telling her daughter she wants to be left alone. She is getting to sex though, because I am not having another bunch of kittens, even though I love animals. So this is 010. It's sort of like a greeny blue, aquary, sort of mermaidy colour. This one is 009. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swatch them all first. Now this is 008. And then what I'll do is I will oh, that's a really pretty orangey color, let me tell you. Look at that. Isn't it just gorgeous? The only thing is, such a shame that they're only 15 mils. But for the amount of that you get, I mean, seriously, I am just very, very. And I paid, I think, 50 something Australian dollars for the kit. That was done for 007. Like James Bond. This one is 006. Purple, my favorite color. Write in the comments below what your favorite color is. I'll pick that up in a minute. Okay. That was 006. That beautiful lilac color. And 005. This was 005, and it's a pretty pink. Don't take notice of my, don't come for me about my crusty nails. I know they need to be done. Oh, this is gorgeous. 004. I think that would have to be pretty much, apart from the purple so far. 004 is one of my favorite colors. And we are down to the last two. This one is like, I think, maybe a see-through purple. I'm not sure if I remember correctly. Close to it. It's a very light, sort of pinkish. It looks purple on the bottom, but I don't know. You tell me, guys. Am I colorblind, or does that kind of look sort of pink to you guys? Yeah, it looks pink to me too, huh? Anyway, listening to me, I'm like answering me back. And of course, then we have 001, which will be our beautiful Claire. I'm so excited to use this girl. I can't wait to do the video, but that's next. So these are all the colors side by side, and they are gorgeous. And this is from the blue Polygel Micarta kit, which is also stunning. Thank you for watching my video. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. See you later, nail sisters. Spirit fingers.